Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to install HeroQ CLI. It's a command line interface. Here is the website. See, note down this website and open this website in your browser. So here is the website link. So open that website. You will get a page like this. This is HeroQ Dev Center, where we have a list of contents. Here you can scroll and you will have a first content, that is download and install. It's a command line interface CLI which makes it easy to create and manage your Heroku apps directly from the terminal. It's an initial part of using Heroku app. So to make the application to deploy into the Heroku, you have to have the CLI first. So for downloading this Mac OS, you have to use this command, and for Windows you can install for 32-bit or 64-bit here. And next, for Ubuntu Linux things, here is the steps to give what commands and everything. Another installations, you have the steps here, standalone installation, everything. So different types of npm you have to do like this. So check out these commands if you are having another type of OS. So we are now looking into the Windows download installation. So for 62-bit I'm installing now. Click on that, then the exe file will be downloaded. So if your internet is good, speed is good enough, then it will install within few minutes. So here is the application we have installed. Now go to downloads and view in folder and show in folder. Then you will get in downloads folder where we have the HeroQ exe file for 62-bit, and you double click on that. You will open a setup. So click on next and set a path where the files to be downloaded. You can browse and change that path. So in next install. Here now all the files related to that application will be downloaded or extracted into that field which we have specified. So it will take time, few minutes. Yeah, go to that website where we have all the steps to how to deploy and everything. So this is also which is a platform which helps to deploy any applications or everything, any websites we can deploy by this. So very easy to deploy and use the application and update the application. So few steps, within few steps, few commands, you can do all those things. Very good, very good app. So let it be completed, it will take some time. Yeah, now the setup is successfully completed. You can see here the setup was successfully completed, and you can close this setup wizard by using this close button. So now close. Yeah, this is the contents where you can know about CLI in this web application. Now I'm opening HeroQ CLI, how it will look like. I'm gonna show you. In search bar you can search. Here we get, yeah, this is the command prompt. Yeah, you get all the commands related to that, which commands of HeroQ we use. So all these commands you can have a list here. So this tells you the version of HeroQ which is we have downloaded 7.53.0 for Windows 64. So this having a note of version 12.2. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like, give a big thumbs up below, and if you have any doubts regarding to this how to download and everything, you can feel free in the comment section. So share this